Forgotten username recovery failed on Finicity Fix. If your forgotten username recovery keeps failing on Finicity, don't panic. This is actually one of the most common misunderstandings users have. The surprising truth is that Finicity doesn't create or manage individual login accounts the same way banks or apps do. Instead, it serves as a secure bridge between your financial institution and the apps that use your banking data. So, when you try to recover a username directly on Finicity, the process often fails because your credentials belong to your bank or financial platform, not Finicity itself. Let's go over the steps to fix this quickly. First, think about where you first connected Finicity. It could have been through a budgeting tool, a mortgage verification platform, or a credit app. Go back to that original platform and use its forgot username or forgot login option. Once you recover your credentials there, your Finicity connection should automatically restore the next time you log in. If you're unsure which service used Finicity, search your email for terms like Finicity connection or account linked via Finicity. This often reveals the source platform. If your financial institution recently updated its login security, that can also break the Finicity link. In that case, log into your bank directly, update your password if needed, then reauthorize Finicity through the connected app. Finally, if you still can't recover your username or determine the connected app, reach out to Finicity support. While they can't reset your username, they can confirm which platform is managing your data, saving you hours of confusion. So remember, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Finicity, the problem isn't with Finicity itself. The issue lies with the original account where you created your login. Recover it there, and everything else will fall back into place seamlessly.